Are you looking to transfer funds from your prepaid card to Cash App? You are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to make that transfer happen smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you need to link your prepaid card to your Cash App account. That's how to do it. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the Banking tab, select Linked Account and then tap on Add Back. Choose credit or debit card and enter your prepaid card details. Tap Add Cards to complete the linking process. Once linked, you can add funds directly from your prepaid card to your Cash App balance. Then, now that your card is linked, let's add some cash. Tap on the Balance tab in the Cash App. Click on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select your linked prepaid card from the option. Finally, tap Add Cash to complete the transaction. If linking your prepaid card isn't an option, don't worry. Here are two alternative methods. Using a third-party service and sell your prepaid card. Service like PayPal or Venmo allows you to transfer money from prepaid card to Cash App. Just ensure you compare any fees associated with this service before proceeding. Sell your prepaid card. If you can't transfer directly, consider selling your prepaid card through the platform like gift card, Granny or Card Cash. You will receive cash that you can then use to fund your Cash App. And there you have it. Whether linking your prepaid card directly or using alternative methods, transferring funds to Cash App is straightforward. Remember, while most major prepaid cards work with Cash App, always check compatibility first. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.